The Lancaster Table & Seating square picnic table with attached benches offers a comfortable place for guests to sit at your establishment. First, unscrew the nuts from the corner bracket under the tabletop. Position the table leg onto these bolts and secure by using the 4 nuts. Make sure that the welded U-bracket faces the center of the table. Repeat this step for the remaining table legs. Next, lay the support rails on the center of the table in the shape of an X with the round edges facing inward. Then use the 4 short hex bolts and lock nuts to secure the support rails together. They should form a circle opening in the center of the X. Attach the ends of this support assembly to the U-brackets on each table leg using the short hex bolts and lock nuts. Then move on to the benches and unscrew the nuts from the leg brackets. Position a bench leg onto these bolts and match the L's and the R's. Secure by using the nuts. Repeat on the other side of the bench and for the remaining benches. Now turn the table and benches upright. Next, align the holes in the L bracket of the left bench leg with the holes at the bottom of a table leg. Then position the L bracket of the right bench leg of another bench on the same table leg. Secure in place using the long hex bolts and lock nuts. Repeat this step for the remaining benches. The assembly process is now complete. These picnic tables are the perfect long-lasting addition to any facility.